Hello everyone, I'm Cha. I'm from Davao City and I'm about to start my YouTube channel, Paminaw Te. Anong Paminaw Te? Or why Paminaw Te? Because I notice nowadays, no, madaming stress, madaming concern about their future, madaming worries about their safety, security, parang ganon, health, ang daming concerns, and most of the time, they focus too much on social media. Sometimes they get answers, sometimes they don't. But at the end of the day, gusto lang talaga nila may makinig sa kanila, may maminaw na ay maminaw. So naisip ko, paminaw te, kasi baka although it's an online platform, kasi baka mamaya I can be there for you, listen online, virtually, kasi baka may ma-share ako na ideas, suggestions, advice, or baka mamaya ako din yung matulungan nyo in terms of advice, suggestions, recommendations about how to navigate life happier. I like building communities kasi it helps us navigate life nga na mas masaya. So communities involve or include family, friends, colleagues, and people you meet sa neighborhood, dyan sa baba, sa tabi-tabi, nakasabay mo sa when you do commute, kasi you do small talk, but these small talks actually help you or get through the day kasi sometimes hard yung buhay or sometimes stressful yung day mo, pero bigla lang may mag-hello sa'yo or just a quick chat, tapos biglang nakalimutan mo na agad yung iniinda mo or pinoproblema mo. So, plano ko umpisahan tong channel na to as a platform na may makikinig sa inyo. Kaya nga, paminaw te, Bisaya kasi ako. So, na-observe ko na when there's something very important na gustong i-relay or ipaabot sa inyo, parang they always say na to catch your attention or you call your attention or to call someone's attention, they say, paminaw te. Uy te, paminaw, or te, makinig ka, or te, can I have your listening ear? Parang we just want that there's this someone who will sit down and just pay attention and listen to your inhibitions, yung iniinda nyo. And sometimes hindi mo nga kailangan ng advice gusto mo lang ng may makinig or gusto mo lang may sponge or gusto mo lang may airtime ka. So baka naman in this platform, with this Paminaw Te channel, baka naman matulungan nga kayo or ako or tayo to live life happily, happier, mas magaan, mas masaya. Kasi exciting yung life maganda yung life, masaya, kahit na maraming challenges. Pero at the end of the day, we have each other's back. And this is an online platform and let's all help each other navigate life. And through music, food, ano man gusto nyo, chit-chat, community building. So, ayun. Thank you very much for listening to me. Please follow, like, and subscribe through my channel. And I hope you all support me through this endeavor. Cheers!